E aí, exploradores, se prepara que hoje a aventura vai ser intensa no Tomb Raider. Já aproveita o começo da jornada para se inscrever, deixar aquele like e comentar. Qual foi a tumba mais marcante para você até agora?
No, nothing.
What?
Nothing. There's no one up here. They never make it up this far.
Should we head back up to the bunker?
Nah, let's wait out the storm.
Got it!
Stay alert.
Let's move inside.
It's a good idea. We got some time. Might as well relax. They'll probably put us on reg duty later.
So what do you think they use it for?
What, the radio tower?
Yeah. It still works, right?
Probably. You got people up there guarding it.
Fuck! Need some help!
Holy shit!
Good work!
No, nothing.
What?
Nothing. There's no one up here. They never make it up this far.
Should we head back up to the bunker?
Nah, let's wait out the storm.
Ufa, a Lara quase não saiu dessa, hein? Se você também ficou sem fôlego, garante logo um like, se inscreve no canal e comenta aí. Você encararia uma aventura dessas na vida real?
It's a good idea. We got some time. Might as well relax. They'll probably put us on reg duty later.
So what do you think they use it for?
You hear that? Maybe over here. Oh, God! Need backup!
I have spoken to some of the villagers on the island. I was expressly forbidden to leave the palace, but this did not stop me. My duties here are clear. I must learn the truth, but the stories I uncovered defy belief. Rumors abound of the Queen's communion with the spiritual world. They say she commands the sun and the rain, that her lands are abundant by her will alone. This is certainly nonsense. But what can be the cause of such whispers? Is this how she controls her people? By engaging their primitive superstitions? I saw absolute reverence in their eyes when they spoke of her. Yet, I also sense fear. Her people are treated with fairness, taxed reasonably, and are well protected by her storm god. No wonder some of them even pray to her. It's as if she were more than just a queen to them. Spreading discontent through her people
Enquanto a gente
may well
tenta
be a
desvendar
harder
esses
task
mistérios,
than
já
I imagine.
aproveita para se inscrever e deixar o like. E comenta aí embaixo, você curte mais a parte de exploração ou os combates do Tomb Raider?
Kind of mortar and pestle, probably used for preparing medicinal herbs. There are small bone fragments in the mortar well. Hopefully animal bones.
Ufa, a Lara quase não saiu dessa, hein? Se você também ficou sem fôlego, garante logo o like, se inscreve no canal e comenta aí. Você encararia uma aventura dessas na vida real?
Did you find Sam?
We're still on her trail.
I'm going to try and send an SOS from an old radio tower up here. Any tips?
Hey, Lara. You're gonna need to find the communications console. It'll look like a bunch of old switchboards.
Okay. I'll let you know when I find it.
Hey, wake up! Wake up! We got an intruder! Come on, grab her!
Please! You don't need to do this!
Does it hurt?
Missão concluída, mais uma tumba desbravada. Agora é sua vez de entrar nessa aventura. Se inscreve no canal, deixa aquele like e comenta o que você quer ver na próxima gameplay de Tomb Raider. Valeu e até a próxima exploração.